as you can see, it is like pouring down. There's like stuff blown away on the neighbor's house. This tree right here. It's pretty bad. I don't know, at least it looks like it's gonna get even worse. I don't have my umbrella. I kind of got to show you guys a little bit more, but just what few minutes it has rained, the wind has been horrible, but it's blowed like stuff all over, like papers everywhere. But I just noticed my neighbor's car has their windows down, so and I don't think they're home to hit them up again. My hummingbird feeder is empty. This is just crazy. Here, but we're up here doing some really strong. Oh, it's cold too. I hope y'all's having a good day. It looks like the sun might even be getting ready to come out. But I hope everybody's having a good day. Trying to get some videos and some vlogging started. Dig into some deep, interesting stuff that you guys might like. Some funny. Who knows? I was trying to get something lined up for today, but then this storm came, and I actually think that the sun is trying to come up, or come out. It's hiding. Anyways, so hope everybody's having a good day. Had a few rough days, past couple days myself, and I had to finally decide I wasn't going to let it get me down any more than what it already did. So kind of have to make your own happiness on some days. So you guys have a good weekend and enjoy yourself.